Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and let us discuss sorting the segments within stacked bar chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. I'll pick up the category from just a minute, category from here and drop it into the columns. And from measures, I'll pick up the sales and drop it into the rows. Select the entire view. Now, next thing which you have to do is pick up the region from here and drop it into the color. Select the region and convert it into the attribute. Moreover, again select the sales from here and drop it into the text label. Now select region and category. Region. The multiple selections of the variables can be done with the help of Control key on your keyboard. Right click, create the combine field. The combine field is created. Now drop this category and region into. So you can see now that we have created the combined group, and that is generated on the bar chart. Now I can also do one thing more, and that is I can pick up the region from here, drop it into the color, and the category and region is dropped into the detailing. And I'll make this region as attribute. Moreover, I will do the sorting of the data. This sorting. So it will ask me that the sorting is done to be what, of what, according to what. So I'll say field according to the sales. And you can see here. Oh, again, I'll have to activate field according to the sales sum. So in furniture, West is having 2,52,000. Then comes the East, then comes the Central Zone, then comes the South. But when we talk about technology, it is East, then West, then Central, then technology. So this is a way you can do the sorting the segments in stacked bar chart. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.